The myth about snoring. It is an age-old misconception that people who snore loudly are enjoying deep sleep. But not true in every case. In fact, in some cases of loud snoring, the truth is the opposite. One of the grave consequences of snoring, especially in obese elderly, is developing sleep apnea, stopping to breathe in sleep for varying periods, seconds, of time and spontaneously getting aroused with a jerk and a big snore. These cycles repeat several times during the night unknown to the sleeper. The person becomes exhausted, deprived of undisturbed sleep, and becomes prone to daytime sleepiness and tiresomeness. It may, over time, lead to heart and brain problems due to deprived oxygenation and accumulation of carbon dioxide when breathing stops several times during the entire night. If you observe anyone who stops breathing, stops snoring during sleep for 10 seconds or more routinely, it may be wise to refer that person to the sleep therapist to investigate the condition for treatment. If left untreated, the condition may lead to hypoxia of the brain and heart with severe outcomes. Therefore, it pays to be cautious and seek early medical help in such instances.